macOS Sonoma is here and it comes with many powerful features, from cool motion wallpapers to those interactive widgets. Plus, you can turn any website into a quick access web app, and there are many cool features to help keep things more organized than ever before. So I rounded up the top 12 features of macOS Sonoma that you need to start using in your daily routine immediately. These awesome new dynamic wallpapers and screensavers. I like these slow motion videos from beautiful places and give your desktop an amazing look. And the ones with this play button here, those are the motion wallpapers. To set them up, just go to your settings, click on wallpaper, or right click on your desktop and choose edit wallpaper. When you're in the screensaver mode, you get to enjoy these cool animations, but as soon as you log in, they slow down and stop and you're good to go. I'm loving these new interactive widgets on my desktop. You can interact with them right from your desktop without having to open the app. Check your to-dos and reminders, play and pause music, or even reach out to a friend with the contact widget. To set them up, just right-click on your desktop and choose Edit Widget. There are different sizes for each widget. Just pick the widgets you like. It's all about personalizing your desktop and getting the info you need while you work. You can right-click on them, tap Edit Widgets, and choose different sizes. And you can even grab widgets from your iPhone without needing the app installed on your MacBook. As long as your iPhone is nearby or on the same Wi-Fi network, the widget will update. Also, my personal favorite is the photo widget. You can select a specific album from the Photos app, and photos from your favorite album will show up in the widget. Here's a cool part. The widgets get more colorful when they are in the foreground, but when you're focusing on something else, like working in other windows, their colors will fade to avoid distractions. And here's a pro tip. You can set your color preferences for widgets. Under Widgets, in Desktop and Dock, you can choose whether the colors change automatically based on your focus, or stay colorful or monochrome. Here's a cool feature. When you tap the wallpaper, it pushes all your windows aside, giving you a clear view of your desktop stuff. You can set it to move windows out of the way when you click the wallpaper. Also, you can hide desktop folders without any extra apps. Just go to Desktop and Dock and turn off the desktop. So I would uncheck both widgets and items. So whenever I need my widgets and icons, I just click the desktop. Next up is one of my favorites. You can turn any website into web app for instant access right there in the dock. I've set up web apps for Apple website and YouTube, and you can do the same for your most visited websites. To create your first web app, just go to the website you want, click the share button at the top right, then choose Add to Dock. If you prefer, you can also go to File, then Add to Dock, and give it a name, and you're good to go. It's like enjoying a clean and clutter-free environment. In macOS Sonoma, we've got profiles, and they're fantastic for keeping your browsing separate. It's just like what we saw in iOS 17 and what I shared with you in the iPhone 15 first things to do video. To set them up, just go to Safari, create profile. There you can set up profiles for study, work, personal use, or whatever you need. Just give them a name and you can have organized tabs in each profile. It's super handy. The coolest part, each profile has its own history, cookies, extensions, tab groups, and it's so cool for getting super organized in Safari. Apple Notes is getting better every time. With this awesome feature called Linked Notes, it's all about connecting your ideas and staying super organized. To create links to other notes, all you have to do is type the greater than symbol twice and choose one of the notes you want to link to them. They've also made it super easy to work with PDFs. Now you can view them in full width in your notes, making it easier to read and interact with them. Alright, check out this cool feature for filling out PDF forms in preview. You no longer need to create text fields one by one for every single field. Now there is a button called Show Form Filling Toolbar. Tap that, it creates empty fields automatically. And you can use these ready-to-fill boxes to fill out your forms without any of the previous hassle. And you can easily move between boxes by hitting the Tab key. It's a total time saver. The lists and reminders are super smart. They can automatically spot groceries and sort them by type. All you need to do is tap Add List, give it a name, and change the type to grocery. After that, start adding items to your list. It'll sort them into their appropriate categories automatically. It's like having all the items from the same aisle grouped together. This presenter overlay feature is so cool for the meetings and presentations. It allows you to place yourself on top of your presentation while sharing your screen during a video call. So when you're sharing your screen, go to the camera icon in the menu bar. With presenter overlay turned on, you have two choices, small or large. In the small option, your face appears in a little window along with the window you're sharing. You can move yourself around and your background is hidden. And if you switch to the large option, your background is back and the shared window is behind you. You can move the shared window around, which is perfect for highlighting specific content during your presentation. Plus, in video calls, you can have some fun because you can add cool reactions directly into your camera feed. Thanks to the new video menu bar item, managing lights, portraits, and video effects is easier. You can trigger these effects with a click or go hands-free using your gestures alone. It's like adding balloons, stormy rain, or fireworks to your video calls just for fun. In macOS Sonoma, we've got some awesome new stickers, just like what we saw in iOS 17. You know how in iOS 17 you can tap and hold on a photo, cut out a subject, and turn it into a sticker to send it your messages. Well, all the stickers you create on your iPhone are accessible in your messages on your MacBook. Plus, you can even turn a live photo into a motion sticker and have fun with your friends. You've got message effects in the same messages menu. Just type your message and then select message effects and then pick one of the cool effects and hit send. And there are some improvements for audio messages. When you are recording an audio message, you can pause and continue before sending it. And if you tap and force click on audio messages, you can choose to play them back at up to double speed and even view a transcription. Here is another awesome feature. You can now import stuff directly from your iPhone. Just right click on the desktop and choose import from iPhone. You can snap a quick photo or scan a document. When you're done, you'll find it right there on your desktop. This is one of my absolute favorites. And hey, don't forget to check out my previous video where I covered first 15 things to do on your new iPhone 15. If you're a Siri user, just head over to Settings, then go to Siri and Spotlight. You'll find the option to turn on Listen for, Hey Siri, or Siri command. So these are the most useful macOS new features that make your workflow smoother. Stay tuned because I've got more tech tips coming your way. See you soon!